catarrh, cough, and cold. Do this now. Hey, my family. How na day? Happy Sunday. I always tell una say be careful of your health. Health is wealth, and God has given us natural things wey go help us. Make sure you do this always. I came back from church and I found out my mom was very down with catarrh and cough. I said, "Mommy, don't bother. I'm going to give you this. You know the mixture? Lemon tea or lemongrass. You have cloves, garlic. You have what? Ginger. That's all. And I mixed them together. I boiled it hot and I gave it to her and she took it. Tell me, before you go say Jack Robinson, the cold don't disappear. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't joke with your health. I love you guys. Do this always. So once again, follow me for more details. And if you have a question to ask, drop it in the comment section and I will respond to you. You know me now. Now we love you. One love. Ciao.